Are you someone who struggles to understand these Java coding questions? You're in the right spot. We're going to simplify the language, make it very easy to follow, very easy to solve, using today's technology such as ChatGPT and Bing's AI. This question is removing elements. So we're going to go ahead and plug it into chat and see what chat can come up with. All right, then open quotes, paste the whole question in there. Let's see what chat can do. Go ahead and have chat read this to us.
Sure, let's break down the problem step by step in really simple terms. 1. You have a bunch of numbers written down in order. This is like having a list of your favorite toys lined up. 2. You're given one special number to look for in your list. Let's say the special number is 5. 3. Now imagine you need to find all the toys that are not your favorite. In our case, it's finding all the numbers that are not the special number 5.
Okay.
4. You need to take out all the toys, numbers that are the special number 5 from your list. So you remove all the toys that are 5. 5. After you've taken out those toys, count how many toys are left in your list. These are the toys that are not the special number 5. 6. Finally, you need to put those remaining toys at the beginning of your list in any order. The order of the toys doesn't matter as long as they are not the special number 5. 7. Then you tell everyone how many toys are in your list now that are not the special number 5. So basically, you start with a list of numbers, take out all the numbers that match a special number, count how many are left, put them at the beginning of the list, and tell everyone how many there are. Simple as that.
That was pretty good. Let's go ahead and show me the code. Just do one more thing. We generate this. No, I don't like that at all. This is actually worse. Go ahead and do that again. All right, this is good.
This code loops through each number in the list. If the number is not the special number, it puts that number at the beginning of the list and counts how many numbers are kept. Finally, it returns the count of numbers that are not the special number.
Really hope that makes sense. Makes sense to me. Let's remove the comments, plug this in, see if it works. Very simple, easy to follow code. Plug this right into problem here. Solutions. We have too many brackets. Let's take out this one bracket, make it look a little bit better. Here we go. All right, this looks clean. There are going to be times where chat doesn't get the answer right, and in those times, we will work with IntelliJ, our IDE here, in case these don't work, and it will work through and figure out why it didn't work. But in this case, I'm pretty certain that this should work. Case 1 and case 2 pass. All right. Hopefully this makes sense. Hopefully it broke it down to where you can understand it. Don't just take the ChatGPT's code, input it. I encourage you to actually understand the problem. That's the key thing. Because say you get to an interview and you can't figure this out, but you know how to break it down, you can pass the interview question just by breaking it down and explaining it in really easy to follow language. And say you get the wrong answer, as long as your logic and how you got to that answer makes sense, most of the time the interviewer will say, hey, that's fine. But that's what the purpose of these courses are, is to break it down to simple language. See if you like this video, subscribe. The next question we're going to solve is removing duplicates from a sorted array.